Hello and welcome to Paper Cup Travel. Today we are in Paris at the Hôtel Théâtre, staying in room 303. Once again, it is a very European-sized room. Let me see if I can just zoom out a bit. Oh, you're gonna catch the gimbal in there. Put it back. It is a queen-size bed. You do have side lamps and plugs, again, European on both sides. Or is it? Yes. European plugs on both sides. You got your TV, full-length mirror. The closet is curtain. There we go. Has a safe, some hangers, Keurig coffee machine, telephone for reception, bottle of water when you come in. Let's check out the view and then head over to the washroom situation. So the view in this room isn't much. You're looking out over some rooftops. If I swing back around, you'll see the washroom area is all open. So over here, and it is just the handheld shower and some shampoo and shower gel. This way we have the sink, some towels, and in here we're gonna find the toilet. So there is a glass door here, so very little privacy when showering, but if you're in Paris, thank you for watching this quick room tour of Suite 303 at the Hôtel Théâtre. If you enjoyed these videos, please like, subscribe, and